Summer 22.
Cruising time!
This summer we took our very first cruise vacation. Come along as we share some of our favorite moments.
We checked in early so we could tour the ship before it got crowded, and we even played some basketball.
We got underway on a Saturday afternoon and were able to watch from the balcony of our stateroom as we left Galveston. It was fun to watch the Coast Guard escorts speed alongside as we made our way into the Gulf of Mexico. I saw a water slide and immediately wanted to try it out. It was definitely one of my favorite parts of the ship.
Our stateroom was in a great location, close to all the fun, so it was easy to stop by for a quick break.
We played a game of parents versus kids giant chess. Parents won.
Wandering around the ship, we found a couple foosball tables. This became something we did every day. We quickly found out that if we were on team with Dad, you were guaranteed a victory.
The ship had a nice arcade. The games were a little pricey, but they had a decent selection. There's always something going on around the ship. We decided to attend Harry Potter trivia. I ended up getting 22 out of 30 correct. They had some hard questions.
On the morning of day 3, we were pierside in beautiful Cozumel. It's a very popular destination. There were 2 other cruise ships also visiting that day.
We rented a Jeep and explored the island on our own. We found a beach club on Palancar Beach which had soft sand and crystal clear water.
Dad still doesn't understand why anyone would choose to own a Jeep.
On the morning of day 4, we arrived in Progreso. Totally different vibe than Cozumel, but we're living that beach life.
In Progreso, you will find the longest pier in the world, measuring 4 miles long. We took a bus tour of the city, and it was interesting to see beautiful mansions right across the street from shanty towns.
The ship's crew had mad talent animal folding skills.
Our last day under the way was spent exploring the ship, doing all of the activities, and filling our schedule with random events, like how to fold a towel animal.
We would be cruise people, but it didn't take long for all of us to agree that this was a great way to vacation.
had a great time on our cruise, and we hope you liked our video.